Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So very welcome you guys to come to our lunch event. And I'm Elaine from HOLOWITS. So today it's such a great honor for me to be here with you guys. And so at the beginning, before our lunch part, I will take charge to give a overall introductions about HOLOWITS for you guys. So without further more, let's start it. Well, at the beginning, I would like to use 3 questions to help you quickly get to know about HOLOWITS. The first one, who is HOLOWITS and what does HOLOWITS do? So generally, HOLOWITS, we are a global provider of intelligent Internet of Things, products and solutions. And the second question, what can HOLOWITS bring? Well, HOLOWITS offering is quite comprehensively because our product is covering from the front end to the back end, like the AI-enabled AI camera, which is our core products, and with the video intelligence platform, and as well as some cloud service. And the third question, why to choose HOLOWITS? So besides the full-fledged chain and the powerful technical support and the intelligent vision technology we have, I think one of the most important reasons can be we are committed to build an ecosystem, a system which is open enough and flexible enough to cope with the quick change of the different scenarios and business. So HOLOWITS will collaborate with all of our partners to provide more valuable product and solutions for our customer. So, as I just mentioned that HOLOWITS, we take the AI camera as our core product, but why do we focus on this? Since the earliest analog camera to IPC, and for now, we believe that it's the generation of AI camera. But what exactly is AI camera, and what's the difference between IPC and AIC? Well, the traditional IPC, it just got the limited computing power and CPU performance, which will result in the problem like the low accuracy of the intelligence functions and the upgrading difficult, and besides, the function is fixed. While HOLOWITS AI camera can help us to solve this problem by our parts, like the professional AI processor with the ultimate computing power, and the open OS can allow everything got converged. And the future-proof ecosystem can bridge the HOLOWITS with our partner together to bring much more good products. So, I believe after my beginning introductions, everyone here got a little impressions about HOLOWITS. So now let's look at the root technology of our HOLOWITS offerings. The HOLOWITS top 3 AI technology, SuperColor, SuperCoding, and SuperAI. SuperColor, it's just mainly about the image, which can help our camera to capture the perfect image with a balanced brightness, the vivid color, and full detail, even at the nighttime. While the supercoding is the technology about storage, which can help our camera to highly reduce the storage space you need. And for the SuperAI, which is our highlight part, with our concise structure and flexible ecosystem, which to build up the most powerful HOLOWITS AI camera. So now let's take a look at them one by one. First, let's get into the SuperColor. I think, as we all know that the quality of the image is one of the key factors to determine that a camera is good or not. For example, some outdoor scenarios, like in the low-light environment, for example, like the water scenarios, park, community, or the construction site, especially at the nighttime. It's quite a challenge for our camera to capture the image, because it's too dark to do that, right? And what's more, it also will get affected by some weather issues. For example, like the rainy day, windy, or dusty, this kind of issues. While our HOLOWITS SuperColor, we can break through with these problems by our upgraded from our lens to the sensor and our AI ISP image enhanced technology. So for the lens part, we call super large aperture. Commonly, when the aperture is larger, which means the lens can allow more exposure to the camera to ensure the image is bright enough, which also means that even the image you capture at the nighttime are still as clear as those taken in the daytime. And comparing to the industrial average, our design can allowing more 156% more light into the camera. So the next we're coming to the sensor. What's actually the super sensor? The super part lies in that we have add the white part to get the RGBW super sensor, which is kindly different for our industrial average sensor, because it's I think this is can highly improve the light sensitivity by 75%. And for I think it's such an amazing part to improve the light sensitivity. And we achieve this thanks to our powerful computing power and some in-depth image sensing technology to obtain and process this white light. Well, so the next part is about supercoding. Let's see the comparison of the normal coding. We call it H.265. Our supercoding can, just like I said, can highly help our customer to highly reduce the storage space you need and to extend twice the storage period. What does it mean? The same size of the video data you got, for the normal coding camera, you can only storage this data for 1 month. But with our HOLOWITS SuperCoding technology, you can storage this data for 2 months. That's the comparison. And now let's see how does HOLOWITS SuperCoding works. We got a video input, and the camera will segment the video into 2 parts, the background and the foreground. The background is something is less important, which is keep the same. So we will using the in-depth compressions to help us to save the storage. And for the foreground, it's something key information. For example, like the passenger, the car, the vehicle plate, this kind of moving objects you may need to take care about. So for this part, we will using the normal encoding tech. And then we got these 2 parts got confused together to generate a new video with a lower bit rate and transmission bandwidth. What's more, HOLOWITS SuperColor, this technology can be applied in different scenarios. You can see the comparison statistic, the percentage on the screen. And one more point needs to be highlighted is that even though the bit rate and the transmission bandwidth is lower, but the accuracy of our intelligent functions are still the same. And the resolution are still the same, which means that the video are still as clear as before. So the next part, let's come into the SuperAI. While HOLOWITS AI open platform, we provide with our partner with the AI model conversion tool, the AI deployment framework, and AI in-frame framework. It can enable one TOPS computing power of our AIC to play the effect of 3 TOPS of computing power of the industrial average. Well, the front part is mainly about our technology and products. Now let's talk about some brand stuff. You know, this year, HOLOWITS, we have made a brand upgraded, and we got our new logo, just like here. I was wonder, has anyone think about the middle part, just the red part of our logo? It's kind of like a robot, right? For the double O is its eyes, and the inclined L is its nose. Actually, it's the revealing of our slogan, to see, to sense, to get everything sensing for an intelligent world. And what's more, there are a hidden clues on our brand's name, HOLOWITS. HOLOWITS is a combination word. The holo is for holographic, and the wit is for wits. So this is revealing our missions to provide the intelligent, multi-dimensional sensing service to our customer. And what's more, HOLOWITS is always think highly on our partners' development. We will always provide the full support to our partner, helping them to get developed and growing in the global market. So for the marketing support, we have the full set of material support to help our partner launch the global event, like the topic and solution design, marketing material, preparation, on-site presentation. For example, like this is the brand brochures that has shown here, but we also got some product portfolio and some marketing materials like the polo shirt, the notebook, the pen, these kind of things. And for the left side, and for now, a lot of partner of HOLOWITS has already successfully launched their event, launched all kinds of events all over the world. Just like the picture we show here. So the first one is about the education exhibitions in Thailand, in Bangkok, and the picture next with him is the exhibition in Turkey. And for that is the launch event in Indonesia, and the last one is the really famous expo called GTEx in the UAE. Besides that, we are also support to develop Tier 2 partner, which is commonly can be proceed as the online way and offline way. So for the online way, just like the white picture has shown here, our HOLOWITS official website have the relevant page to help the Tier 2 partner registration. And for offline way, we will giving the support to our partner for their local event, like the partner meet, product launch, this kind of things. And we also have some equipment support, like this is the demo box, and can help our partner to perform the POC test in a more available way. So, and this is mainly the material and the design I have talked first. It's the HOLOWITS Technology Center. So the left side is the poster of the different scenario of AIC appliance, and we also got some video type. So for not only on the marketing side, for the technical side, we will also giving support to our partner from the pre-sales to the post-sales. And the content will include it from the service, products, and solutions. On our official website, we have the knowledge and e-learning part in the support page. Maybe you guys can check with our official website later then. And we got a lot of different types of materials like the videos or files to give the guidance of our products and solutions. And what's more, we also have a part we call HOLOWITS certificating. And when the partner is finished the online class, and you can participate in the specialist exam. So the partner will get a certification if you pass the exam, and we will giving the relevant awards for your hard work. So I think that's the main link for my part. Thanks all for listening, and I hope everyone can know more about HOLOWITS from my speech, and hope you guys enjoying the following event later. Thank you all.